Fantastic looking work, by the way, man. It's tough bringing anything in here now. This is my rendition of intarsia, but I guess it's not intarsia because I used the bandsaw. It didn't have any patterns. Again, I hand sketched it and then just kind of cut it up off a picture though. And then made up a couple of things in my own head, like a flower and a bunch of different woods, so there's no stain or anything on it. It's all varthaned. And that's it.
What kind of woods, Jimmy?
Oh boy, I got some maples in there. I got some purple heart. I got some, what's the yellow one? Help me out.
Yellow heart.
Yellow heart?
Canary wood?
Canary wood?
Canary? Yeah. Yeah, that's not hitting the right. I know what it is, but I can't think of it.
Osage orange?
Pardon me?
Osage orange?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I'm sorry about the yellow. Yeah, no wonder I couldn't think of it. I was thinking yellow, no, which is the same center as that one. And
Jim, incidentally, bandsaw is considered intarsia if it's fitted like that.
yeah,
It doesn't have to be on a scroll
yeah,
saw.
I've never done one, so I just, unfortunately, I got kind of interested in liking it, so I might be looking for a scroll saw. All I gotta do is find a room for it. And this guy here, again, just I had a picture of something that looked pretty nice. There's lots of depth in this one because it's much deeper and larger chunks of, again, all different woods, no colors or anything. They're all natural woods. There's a little bit of ebony in there. I'm not sure if that's ebony or not, but probably the dark chunk of walnut. But anyways, and again, purple heart and the orange Osage and a little bit of backing on cedar. And again, first time ever done anything like that. So it was a great incentive here for the club to do that stuff. And there it is.
Nice.
Any questions?
Okay. How thick would that be, like from front to back, Jim? That's nice dimensionality. It sticks out a ways.
Yeah, it's probably 1.5 inches anyways, for sure.
Cool.